As the crafting starts, the focus shifts to touch and sound. The first contact between tool and wood is soft and deliberate, producing a gentle scraping sound that feels grounding rather than harsh. Each movement is unhurried, intentional, allowing the viewer to experience the process rather than anticipate the result. The act of sanding becomes almost meditative, a steady back-and-forth motion that smooths the surface while creating a soothing, whisper-like sound. Fine dust gathers slowly, catching the light as it falls, and there is something deeply calming about watching roughness turn into softness through patience alone. In this calm crafting journey, every small action matters, not because it leads quickly to an end, but because it exists fully in the present moment. Welcome to WOW Decor Tube, a quiet, gentle space where creativity slows down and the noise of the world fades away, where today we invite you into a calm crafting journey that is not about rushing to a finished product, but about enjoying every small moment along the way. This is a place to breathe, to watch, to listen, and to feel the simple beauty of working with wood. As the video begins, there is no hurry, only the soft presence of a raw piece of wood resting on the work surface, its surface imperfect, textured, and full of quiet potential. The light falls gently across it, revealing grain patterns shaped by years of growth, and in this stillness, the journey begins. There is no need for words at first, because the sound of the room itself is enough. The faint creak of the table, the subtle movement of hands adjusting the wood, the calm rhythm of preparation that invites the viewer to slow their breath and settle into the moment. The camera lingers on close-up details, the curve of the wood, the natural lines flowing beneath the surface, the hands moving with care rather than force. There is no rush to correct imperfections, because here imperfections are welcome. A knot in the wood becomes a focal point, not a flaw, and a slight curve in the shape is embraced as part of the story. The gentle tapping of a chisel, the quiet rasp of a file, the soft brushing away of dust all blend together into a natural rhythm, creating an ASMR-like experience that feels calming and almost therapeutic. This is not just woodworking, it is a form of quiet meditation, where the mind rests as the hands work. As the piece slowly takes shape, the emphasis remains on the journey rather than the destination. The viewer is invited to appreciate how the wood responds to touch, how it reveals its character little by little. There is beauty in watching something change slowly, without pressure, without expectation. The sounds are natural and honest, never overwhelming, allowing space for thought, reflection, or simply peaceful observation. In a world that often demands speed and perfection, this calm crafting approach offers a gentle reminder that it is okay to move slowly, to focus on process, and to find joy in small, repetitive actions. Soft background music may drift in, barely noticeable, blending seamlessly with the natural sounds of crafting. It supports the mood without distracting from it, creating a sense of warmth and calm that fills the space. The hands continue their work, smoothing edges, refining curves, and revealing the wood's natural beauty step by step. There is something deeply satisfying about watching raw material transform through patience alone, and this satisfaction extends to the viewer, who may feel their own thoughts slow down, their shoulders relax, and their attention settle fully into the present moment. Throughout this relaxing wood art journey, there is an unspoken message that creativity does not need to be loud or complicated to be meaningful. Sometimes, the most powerful moments come from silence, from focus, and from allowing ourselves to be fully present with what we are doing. This approach to crafting invites viewers to see wood art not just as a skill, but as a calming practice, a way to reconnect with the natural world and with themselves. The texture of the wood, the warmth of its color, and the quiet rhythm of the process all work together to create a sense of peace that lingers long after the video ends. If you are enjoying today's content, if this relaxing wood art journey has brought you a sense of peace or inspiration, We invite you to gently support WOW Decor Tube by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. Someone you care about may need a moment of calm just like this, and your share could bring it to them. We would also love to hear from you in the comments, whether you use wood crafting to relax, what kind of calm, creative videos you enjoy most, or how this journey made you feel. Your presence and your thoughts help shape this space into a community built on creativity, calm, and connection. As the piece nears completion, there is still no rush. The final touches are made slowly, with care and intention. The surface is gently wiped clean, revealing a smooth, warm finish that reflects the time and attention invested in it. The finished piece is simple, natural, and honest, not flashy or overworked, but quietly beautiful in a way that feels timeless. It does not demand attention, yet it holds it effortlessly, because it carries the calm energy of the process that created it. Now, as this peaceful journey begins to draw to a close, the camera pulls back slightly, allowing the viewer to see the piece resting quietly, complete but unassuming. There is a sense of satisfaction, not because something impressive was made, but because something meaningful was experienced. The calm remains, the gentle sounds fade, and the space feels lighter, warmer, more grounded than before. This is the heart of calm crafting, the idea that creating can be a form of rest, a way to slow down and reconnect with what truly matters. If you are enjoying today's content, if this relaxing wood art journey has brought you a sense of peace or inspiration, we invite you to gently support WOW Decor Tube by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. Someone you care about may need a moment of calm just like this, and your share could bring it to them. We would also love to hear from you in the comments, whether you use wood crafting to relax, what kind of calm, creative videos you enjoy most, or how this journey made you feel. Your presence and your thoughts help shape this space into a community built on creativity, calm, and connection. Thank you for spending this quiet time with us on WOW Decor Tube. May this gentle crafting journey stay with you, reminding you that it is okay to slow down, to work with your hands, and to find beauty in the process rather than the rush. Until next time, keep creating calmly, keep breathing deeply, and let simple moments bring peace into your day.